Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing fine, right? So today we are going to start our first grammar class in English, that is the parts of speech. Actually, the parts of speech plays an important role in learning grammar because the grammar is based on the part of speech only. So, what is part of speech first? So, the part of speech is the class of words based on the words function and the way it works in the sentence. So the parts of speech is a word that special job in this sentence. Now we'll see what are the types of parts of speech, right? So the parts of speech are 8 in number and they are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection, right? Now let us try to understand what they do and how can we use them, right? So the first one is noun. So what is noun? So here the noun is a word used as the name of the person, place, things, animal or feelings, right? For example, Ram, Uti, table and dog. So now you can see these two sentences. Ram is a good boy. I gave the phone to John. Here I underline the Ram. Why? Because it is the name of the person, right? The second sentence I underline the John because that is the name of the person, right? So the noun is a name of the person, place, things, animal or feelings, right? So the second part of speech is a pronoun. A pronoun is a word used to replace the noun. For example, see the first sentence, Ram is a good dancer, he loves dancing, right? So instead of saying Ram is a good dancer, Ram loves dancing, we added the pronoun he, right? So same like that in the second sentence, Priya is a good girl, she gets up early in the morning. So instead of saying Priya is a good girl, Priya gets up early in the morning, we added the pronoun she, right? So in these two sentences, instead of Ram we had the pronoun he and instead of Priya we added the pronoun she, right? So the pronoun is a word used to replace the noun, right? So the third one is verb. So the verb is a word used to express an action. For example, writing, walking, running, jumping, eating, right? Because these are the actions, right? For example, I'm writing. Here the writing is a verb because it is the action. Writing is an action, right? So he walks in the morning. Here the walks is a verb because it is in action, right? So a verb is a word used to express the action, right? So we already learned what is noun. Noun is the name of the person, place, things, animal or feelings, right? So here adjective it's provide the extra information about the noun. For example, see the first sentence, Ram is a brave boy. Here Ram is the noun, right? Brave is the adjective because it provide the extra information about the Ram, that is noun. Ram is a brave boy. Same like that, see the second sentence, Arun is a tall boy. Here, tall is adjective because the tall is the extra information about the Arun, right? That is the noun. Arun is a tall boy. So the adjective it's provide the extra information about the noun. So in these two sentences, the brave is the extra information about the Ram and tall is the extra information about the Arun. So this is adjective, right? So the next one is adverb. Adverb provides the extra information about the verb. So what is verb? Verb is an action word, right? For example, is running fast. So in this sentence, running is the verb, right? Fast is an adverb because it giving the more information about the verb. Is running, but how is running? Running very fastly. So the fast is an adverb because it gives the more information about the running. That is verb. Is running very fastly, right? So same he's walking slowly. So in this sentence, slowly is an adverb because it giving more information about the verb, that is walking, right? He's walking, but how is walking? Walking very slowly. So the adverbs are the extra information about the verb, right? So for example, running is an action, right? That is verb. So running fastly, here the fastly is an adverb because it provides the extra information about the running. Is running very fastly. So here the fast is an adverb. Understood? So the next one is preposition. A preposition is a word that indicate the relationship between the noun and the other words in the sentence. For example, I am going to Iceland. So here to is a preposition because I am going to Ireland. To is a preposition indicate the relationship between the noun and the other word in the sentence, right? Now I'm going island, that is incorrect, right? So I'm going to island, so to is indicate the relationship between the noun and the other word in this sentence, so that is preposition. Same like that, Alex throw a stone into the pond. So here Alex throw the stone where? Into the pond. So here into is indicate the relationship between the noun and the other word in the sentence, so into is a preposition. So the preposition is a word that indicate the relationship between the noun and the other words in this sentence, right? So the next one is conjunction. The conjunction is a word used to join the word or sentence. For example, 2 and 2 makes 4. Here and is a conjunction because it joins the two words, right? 2 and 2 makes 4. So and is a conjunction. Same like that, I ran fast but missed the train. Here but is a conjunction because it connects the two sentence, right? So the conjunction is a connecting word like but, and, because, so, right? So the last one is interjection. So the interjection is a word which expresses this some sudden feelings or emotion. For example, oh, that feels terrible. Alas, they have lost the match. So the interjection always start with the exclamatory mark, right? So the interjection is a word which expresses this some sudden feelings or emotions, right? So today we have learned the part of speech and they are 18 number: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. So what is noun? Noun is the name of the person, place, things, animal or feelings, right? Pronoun is a word used to replace the noun. Verb is an action word. Then adjective, it gives the extra information about the noun. Adverb, it gives the extra information about the verb, right? Preposition is that indicate the relationship between the noun and the other words in this sentence, right? So conjunction is a connecting word and interjection is a word which expresses some sudden feeling or emotions, right? So I hope you all understood the today's topic. Thank you.